Yeah, I'm here. This has been one of my ambitions for years to come here if the visa just wasn't such a pain. So I'm very excited to go inside and check it. We're just coming into the Kremlin walls in the distance there. So over here is a church. We're going to check this place out first before we head into the Kremlin. So I just came through the gate. Everything is in Russian, so I have to figure it out. So a bit more of a span again. I'm still trying to find the mosque. You think a big giant mosque, you'd be able to find it. This is some presidential compound, so we're not allowed in. And I'm still trying to find the mosque. So I went in that big church there. I can see the minarets there. I still have to walk over and try and find the way in. So there's been a mosque here since the Middle Ages. This one was actually rebuilt in 2005. Again, so we're going to go and look inside. Okay, so you don't have to take your shoes off in here because it's all marble flooring. Looks like there's some wedding reception going on. Some Islamic art. I don't know if that's the Kremlin. And then there's Makkah in Saudi Arabia, and I don't know what he's doing in there. And again, there's some wedding photos taking place here. There's a miniature of the thing. So the mosque is upstairs and the museum is downstairs, so we're going to go and check out both sides. I think because it's too touristy, they don't let you in the mosque. Or maybe what?
Мечети скромные в городе. Данная мечеть самая торжественная и нарядная. И арабской вязи, и растительного орнамента здесь достаточно. За арабской вязью справа и с левой стороны на стенах на голубом фоне с золотыми красками написаны тексты. Это священные тексты из Корана, которые наизусть верующие знают и в своих молитвах читают. Молитва, он говорит о том, что Бог во все времена один и един для всех, был и есть. Он не родил, то есть у него нету детей, у него нету родителей и супруги, и он вечный. И оттуда начинает крепиться люди.
So you had to pay 200 rubles to come into this museum. So I will check it out. I'm guessing that's the Kazan region, I don't know. Again, you don't think of Russia in terms of Islam. This one is from the 14th century. I guess the routes to Kazan across Iran. Iran, Uzbekistan. There's the Hajj route, how they come via Moscow, Kiev, Odessa, Turkey, and then down to Mecca. Oh, they even do a circle across to India. Something from 1913 with Tsar Nicholas. So a bit of an anticlimax after all of the years of waiting to come here. They don't let you into the mosque because it's too touristy, but the museum downstairs is actually quite good about the history of Islam in Russia. And it was also good checking out the Muslim Tatar quarter across the river where I was this morning, because there's a lot of local Tatar mosques and you're free to go in and out of them, and there's no tourists in that area. People do not know about it. They all just come here to the Kremlin. Another quick span of another tourist spot. Just came out the main gate of the Kremlin, and this, I believe, is the National Museum of the Republic of Tatarstan. Hope you've enjoyed the Russia travel series. Remember to subscribe to my channel to check out more of my videos.